Okay, as you can see that there's a large piece of glass here that's got to be cleaned, and I'm just giving it a scrub. I've only got an 18-inch scrubber, but as you can see I've got the pole control handle, and it makes it easier to clean without bending over. Not awkward to scrub with, as you can see. Let's get through this. This is quite a long piece of glass, and you have to work quick as the sun's against it, so you can't sort of muck around. To scrub this end, give it a good scrub. Okay, I'm going to use a 34-inch squeegee on this one, and because I can put pressure on the pole with the pole control handle, as you can see that I get good even pressure and fairly hard pressure as well. I just got to do one stroke, just make sure that's there, and just pull along. You can see I'm holding the other handle, and it makes it easy, just keeping the leading edge on an angle, and go right there to where that little bush is. I'll just go and do another one. Just keep that on a bit of an angle. Right. Okay, now I'll just do the other side of the bush here. It's a bit awkward here, but because you've got the handles you can sort of move along like that, and down. And well, I suppose, well, that's about it.